When anxiety just won't let go, the fastest way back to calm is to return to the simple feeling of here and now. And you can do it with a simple glass of water. Let me show you how. Take a glass of water or juice or soda, whatever you have nearby. Hold it in your hand. Then first, engage your sight. Look at the water. Notice the reflections, the bubbles, the shape of the glass. Focus on the details. Now touch. Feel the temperature of the glass in your hand. Then notice the cool sensation of water on your lips, in your mouth. Next, logically, the sense of taste. Take a sip. Even plain water has its own taste. It's either fresh or clean and somehow unique. And then the sense of hearing. Listen carefully. The sound of water moving in your glass, or the sound as you swallow. And finally, the smell. Even water has its own unique aroma. And that's it. Just one action, just your 5 senses. When you dive into your senses, anxious thoughts fade away. In their place, mindfulness takes over. Awareness, presence, and calm. Today you learned a quick but powerful mindfulness exercise. Try it anytime anxiety strikes. Like and subscribe for more tips to stay calm and focused, and share this with someone who could use it today.